Hi and a very warm welcome to Mirchi Business Class. This is Mirchi Lajwanti. With me in frame is Mrs. Dia Das, who is the principal of Saini International School, Mahesh Tala. Very warm welcome to the Mirchi studio.
Thank you.
Ma'am, because it is about school academics, so I have to ask you this question. I've given myself the leeway to ask you this question rather. What does education really mean to you?
Education means a lot, first of all.
Mhm.
And it is not only, going through the subjects, doing mathematics, learning the
Right.
formulas, going back to history. No, it
Yeah.
means a lot. All students, I cannot expect that all my students will get 90% and be a scientist or a doctor, engineer. I cannot. But see, many schools, from each and every school, doctors, engineers come out. But how many schools have an Indian player in their school? Right, isn't it? So education means everything, and most importantly, discipline. If you're not disciplined in your life, you stand nowhere. Actually, you must respect your elders also. That is a part of education as well.
And for your school, Saini International, the motto stands as holistic development, right?
Yes.
So it's like an all-round development that you
Absolutely.
see in your child
Hmm.
and that you want your child to seek. So how do you cater to that part?
Holistic development, see, definitely education, I mean, the bookish knowledge is very important. They must get good marks in their board exams, that is all there. But when we talk about holistic development, we speak co-curricular activities also, which definitely helps in the holistic development of a child. Not only co-curricular activities, scholastic, co-scholastic activities, but also we keep in mind the mental health of a child.
That is
Which
so
is
important
very
right
important.
Now. Very important.
Yeah, in today's world, it is very important, the mental health, mental well-being of a child.
Right. And now that you talk about, keeping in mind the well-being, be it the children, be it the health and hygiene and well-being of the entire institution, and the power chair that you're at right now, being the principal of the school, you're a bearer of many responsibilities.
Yes.
So do you still have the child alive in
Definitely, I do have. And I have to deal with nursery students also,
Right.
and with the class 12 students
Across
also.
all age groups.
Across.
Yes.
I'll give you the example of today itself. We celebrated Children's Day with the toddlers, nursery to class 2. So they were very happy to see their teachers dancing on the stage, singing on the stage. I told the teachers, do one thing, they are dancing, you all are dancing, let them also dance with you. And when I saw them dancing, even I felt like dancing.
Is it always good marks that defines a good student?
Not at all. Let me give you my example. I was not the first girl of my class. No, I was an average student. But somehow I did well in the board exams. I don't know how. I did well in board exams.
Says the principal.
I did well in board exams and I got to study in one of the best colleges of Kolkata, and today I'm here. So marks does not matter always. I'll tell you one more thing. We have a special class called DEAR, Drop Everything and Read.
Wow, dear.
Yes, drop everything and read.
That is very cool and new. If there's one piece of advice that you would want to give to the students, the teachers, the parents, the immediate people who build your world, what would that be?
For students, though, definitely I would say, believe in yourself.
So important.
Believe in yourself. As I said, dream big, work hard, you'll definitely achieve your goal in life, which is most important. And yes, do respect your parents, which is very important, especially in the new generation. Respect your parents, respect your elders. Teachers are also like parents. Do respect them as well. And dream big, believe in yourself, embrace the challenges, and go ahead.